Okay, here's one of my latest. I did the light hookup on my 75 mile an hour Mad Drift. This is a body I did some time ago, so here are the lights. You see we got the turn indicators going. And I believe, let's see if I can get some power up here, get some. Okay. That's what we do there. Now we'll go around here. Got the lights up so I can see the better. And here's go in the rear. That's my brake lights, but I got to put it in reverse so I can do that. And I got the marker light there. Got that side going pretty good. Now there's a sequence. I'm going to do here. See if I can get my hand under here. Give me just a second. There's a different sequence you can do with these lights. There we go. You can run it that way. You got the back. I think there's a bunch of other sequences too here. Let's see, what's the next one? This one's kind of cool. It does a fade in and fade out. That's kind of cool. You can drive around like that with them just on the fade mode. Yeah. I also like the way my shows my. This is gonna be cool at night. So I got the little cracking in the paint there underneath it showing it. Actually, it turns out pretty cool looking. So let's see here. We got a. Yeah, it was like the police car deal there. All right. Okay, and I do have some lights in the exhaust down here. I'm going to hook up to the throttle. I need another cord for that. Okay, let's see here. And back to your normal headlight mode. And while I'm at it, I'll plug this bit. There we go. Still the lighting's all wrong, guys. I'll do it better. There's the ones under there that I'm working on, the lights there. Okay, I'll get back later with a more in-depth situation run and all that good stuff. Okay, lighting on the goat complete.